Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning Hot Wheels 2020. I'm here with my son Samson. What's going on, Sam?
What's up, Dad?
Not too much. I got this gold pickup truck here that we're going to open up and see how it goes on that track over there. And I'm hoping all that gold is metal. Let's see. Hot Wheels, hot trucks. 4x4s and trucks ready to work or race. You can read that if you'd like. Pause and read. And this is from the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, like I just said. This is number 1 of 10. Let's get it open. Ooh, nice easy open. Come on, pop out. All wheels roll well. Nice ride. If I keep my fat thumb out of the way. You see you snickering over there, son. I like the taillights, but they're not on the tail. I'm confused. You know, they got them on the side. I think it would have been better on the back. Alright, so that is all metal on the gold. Everything gold is metal. And the bottom is plastic. Let's see how she rolls. Got a little bit of snow and ice on this track here. Let's see if it goes over. Ready? Nice.
Ooh, that was a good one.
It was. I could see where it's going to ramp off. There's one piece of ice right there. Ah, nice. Woo! And it rolls well.
Way to go.
Nice.
That's nice.
Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again. Sam, thanks for helping me.
No problem.
And please subscribe. Hit that like button too, why don't you?